Hey guys, it's Janai. I'm going to be showing you how I bleach my hair and brows blonde today. So for bleach, I use this Clairol BW2 and 30 volume developer. It's not really necessary to measure how much you use as long as it's either a 1:2 ratio or the consistency of it is like creamy, like pudding, and it doesn't drip. I would always prefer to make too little mixture and have to make more rather than make too much and waste it, so I ended up making 2 bowls, not just one. Obviously, I just put this all over my head, and I don't really know why I start from the back, I just do.
I swear every time I use 1 scoop of bleach, it's not enough, but 2 is too much. But I'd always rather make more than waste what's left over.
Then I put it on my eyebrows last because it's on your face, so you know it's sensitive. If it starts to burn, you can just wash it off, or you can buy 10 or 20 volume developer and make separate mix for your brows. So I didn't show what it looked like after I washed it out the first time, but I did it a second time because it always comes out this brassy gold color for the first time, and I like my hair platinum. So this is what it looked like after the second time, and y'all see how bad the barber cut me? This color wasn't bad. I wore it for like 2 or 3 days, but I bleached it again just because I really like my hair as light blonde as possible. Also, the lighter my brows are, the more they contrast with my face instead of like blending it with my skin. Also, waiting at least a day gives me a chance to condition it before I bleach it again. Here's how it looked after the third time. You see it's just a little whiter, and here's how I look after I did my makeup. I had a little photo shoot. Here's some pictures. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already.